So it is Friday, finally. I feel like, that's my chair, sorry. I feel like it's been so long, and I'm just waiting for the weekend. I have my laptop set up over here and all my things. I have my coffee. So good. Steve's here from work today. He didn't go in. The boys are here, so I'm just trying to make like a day out of it. I've been home for over a week, so I'm kind of going crazy, so it's nice to have some company. But yeah, just gonna be home doing some work, and we'll see where the day goes. All right guys, see you all later. Hi guys, so I'm still here working. I'm so tired. Steve made me breakfast. He made me toast with egg whites. So I'm gonna go ahead and have this and continue working. Maybe get another cup of coffee because I'm so tired. I had to put on a sweater because it's chilly. But yeah, I'm just working, waiting for the workday to be over so I can go about my normal day because it's been a week since I've been quarantined, so kind of crazy. I'm gonna upload a video for you guys today too, so I have to edit that really quick. I might do that in a couple hours, and yeah, just gonna hang out, chill. No, not really, just gonna work and eat my toast for breakfast, and yeah. All right guys, see you all later. Hi guys, so oh my goodness, Mr. West, go back. So we ended up taking the boys out. It is so nice today. It's 63 degrees. My hair looks kind of wild. Oh my god, it's because I have my hair in a clip. Okay, anyways, we took the boys out and we ended up getting Chick-fil-A drive-thru because that's literally like the only thing we can eat. And I'm just so tired of cooking at home because I've been cooking literally like every single day, every meal, and I'm just so tired of doing dishes and cooking, and I just needed a break, and it's Friday. So we went to Chick-fil-A. They're being really precautious, wearing gloves, separating like 6 feet, like really good. I always love Chick-fil-A, like they're really good with their service and everything. So yeah, we just got that, and it's just nice to get some vitamin D. The sun is shining. I have the boys with me, took a little break from work, and yeah, we ate our food. Now we're gonna go back home. I'm gonna finish up work, and then we are gonna hang and finish up the basement. I know we've been saying that for so long, but it's just very annoying that we have to like work our full-time jobs and then as soon as we're done, go back into doing that. And like on the weekends, that's something we don't want to do either. So it's been a prolonged process, but we're almost done. All right guys, see you all later. Bye. Hi guys, so it is later, and sorry, this is like kind of choking me. Okay, so I ended up finishing work. I was like very busy today. We had a couple things due, but I finally finished. So now I'm just hanging out. I'm actually trying this new kombucha, and it's actually pretty good. It's the Kavita, I think that's how you say it. This is the Master Brew kombucha in the pineapple peach. It's pretty yummy. I like it so far. So yeah, I'm just gonna drink that. We're making dinner. We're making pasta with veggies. I'll show you what we eat. And then, wow, my face looks so round today. I don't know what it is. It's like weird. And yeah, oh, actually, we're going, sorry, Steve's playing, but we're going to Florida. So we're actually leaving tomorrow. So we're trying to like wrap up everything so we can just head out the road tomorrow, and we'll get there by like Sunday, and then we can like start working from home on Monday. So yeah, I'll keep you guys posted, and I will take you along the ride to Florida. All right guys, see you all later. Hi guys, good morning. Happy Saturday. Sorry, I don't even know what day it is anymore. I just woke up. I'm tidying up a little bit because we are leaving to Florida today. So I just want to make sure my place is clean before we come back, because I want to come back to a clean place, and I'm not sure how long we'll be gone for. So yeah, just cleaning up here, getting everything ready. Gonna do a load of laundry before we leave, just so we have fresh clothes. And yeah, that's about it. Steve is with his dad. He's picking him up because he's helping us just wrap up the basement, almost done. And then that's it. I'm literally so excited. Sorry, I'm so excited. I can't wait to go. I like miss my parents so much. So yeah, gonna go ahead, do laundry, get the day started, and I'll see you all later. Hi guys, so it's a little bit later. We're doing some work on the basement and stuff, but we took a break because Steve had to go to work and grab all his work things for him to start working from home finally, and us to go to Florida. So he took us and the boys for a ride because it's a little bit far from us. So it's really nice. The day is beautiful, so we're out and getting some vitamin D, which I need. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I'm so pale. It's kind of gross. But yeah, we are now gonna go get lunch really quick. And then we're gonna head home, finish up the basement, pack, and head to Florida because I just want to be in Florida, see my parents, enjoy some heat, some warm weather, the pool, and all the things. Guys, as you know, I have not been outside, so yeah. All right guys, see you all later. Bye. Okay, so here is the kitchen. Looks super nice. This is my favorite part. I love it. Beautiful. Then we go into the living room. This is just trash that we have to take out and painted beautifully. That's stuff we're taking with us. And let me see in there. Beautiful, done. Radiators in, awesome. And then we all saw the bathroom. Looks phenomenal. Yay, favorite part, so pretty. Bye. Hi guys. Oh my god, stop. So you can't really see me right now, but we are on, oh, there we go. Okay, we're on the road on the way to Florida. We have the boys with us. And yeah, we're just so excited to finally go to Florida, just be with my parents and my brothers and just get away from all this corona craziness. I was just going insane in my house by myself. So yeah, all right guys, I will talk to you all later when we are a little bit closer. Bye. Hi guys, happy Sunday. So we are in North Carolina and we just stopped to get breakfast. We ended up getting Cracker Barrel to go. We got pancakes, French toast, eggs, bacon, the works. So we're probably gonna get to my parents' house around like 6:30ish. Which is gonna be a long ride for us, but it's worth it because it's gonna be nice and I want to see my family, and yeah, you know, we'll just be together during these quarantine times. But yeah, so we are on our way. We just stopped and took the boys for a walk, fed them, and now they're drinking some water, and then we're gonna hit the road again. All right guys, I will check back in with you later today, and if not, then I'll check back in with you once we get to Florida. All right guys, see you later. Hi guys, I know I look so crazy and gross. It is so hot out. It's 85 degrees and we are sweating, but we're in Florida and we are at my parents' neighborhood. And yeah, we're just gonna pull in, get all the luggage out, and then we're gonna chill. So I'm gonna come back on here and after shower and eat and all that stuff. But yeah, I will see you all later. Bye.